Hello everyone, this is April, the artist behind InvokeArtSense. Today I bring you a special collab video. This is a collab that I'm doing with my friend Gracie, and she and I are both from the same university. We graduated both not together, one semester apart, but we did the art program together for most of the time, and she is my art buddy in crime. She is an amazing art teacher at a public school, and she loves to teach art to students, and she also makes amazing art herself. So I invited her to make this video together with this Smart Art bundle. So most of you should all know of Smart Art subscription boxes. And I have done one video of Smart Art for the regular subscription box, but this is their bundle that you can buy on their website. And the bundle was $34.99, but I got $10 off. You get Peacock points from spending on the subscription or anything in their shop, as well as other things that you can do, like doing the prompts from their subscription boxes. It's a great box to get every month, and I don't think any other company or subscription box does the same Peacock points. So it's a subscription worth checking out. But this box has metallics, and I have worked with metallics in a previous subscription box. It was metallic markers from Spectrum Noir and some acrylic abstract ink from Sennelier. And this time we unboxed Jacquard Pearl X powder pigments 12-piece set. And this set, it comes powdered, which I didn't really get that. I didn't look into it so closely, and when we opened it, we weren't sure even how to mix it, but we did find out. They have a little slip included. It's 4 parts of the pigment, 1 part gum arabic, which they included 3 jars of that. And really, it's not that hard to make this. And we got into the swing of things and made the powder, did the swatches. All the colors look great, especially on black paper. And then they also included the Strathmore Artist Tiles Black Artagain 4" by 4", which is a great size to do little things like we did cactuses first, and I did a flower. I'm at the top. She actually did the unboxing. If you didn't notice, my hands look a little bit different, a little bit smaller, and a little bit slimmer with the rock on the left hand that I don't have. So different hands, but it's great to have a guest on my channel, and hopefully she'll be on my channel again. And it also included Edding 1200 metallic color marker, violet, blue, gold, and Marabu acrylic spray paint, which I did use at the end a little bit. Really, really enjoyed these colors. Not that I didn't enjoy the Spectrum Noir metallic markers from before, but the actual, at the end, there was just we made a lot, and we only had a few jars that were the gum arabic, because I didn't have any small containers, because I didn't really think about it. I didn't think it was powder, so I didn't think about this previously before we unboxed it. So I only had 1 small container to put the gum arabic together, and we had 3 jars to make the three colors, and we didn't have any other extra jars, so we used my ceramic palette, which is fine, because when they dry, you just add water. Dry, add water. Spin and repeat. Repeat, repeat, repeat. And they are dried now, and there's a lot more pigment left that we did mix up, and there's a lot more powder left to make more pigment. This was a great purchase for only $24. And the colors are really, 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 really vibrant, and the texture can be smooth, thicker, creamier, any way you want it. Just adjust with water. And at the end here, you see my friend Gracie. She's using these metallics on white paper. And I didn't actually use any white paper, but she did. And these colors look perfect on both types of paper. She's using watercolor paper here, Arteza paper, and I'm just continuing using the Strathmore 4x4 inch paper. That paper was 60 pounds. It was more like just cardstock paper. It worked really well though. It didn't really like me using any of my calligraphy dip pens, but I did use a few. I was able to use my calligraphy dip pen, just the regular kind. The glass dip pen, which is my favorite, I wasn't able to use that much on this paper type because it's not thick enough for that. But for every other purpose, these were perfect. And my friend is a dear for doing this video with me, and she was the one who did all the swatches. I made her work and do all the swatches for me, but I was helping mix the colors. I was adding the water. I was there to supervise, so I don't think she minded much. But it was really fun to do this. And in the beginning, you may have saw another box, a Smart Art box. We both wanted to do both. Marbling, that was in May's subscription box, but this metallic stuff just took so long. We got so into it. There was just no time for us to do anything else. But hopefully I won't be able to get to the marbling in May, unfortunately. But hopefully we'll be able to do the marbling together again, maybe next month. And if she can, then I'll definitely will do the marbling in June, the May subscription box for Smart Art. And these, the one that you see at the top right there, I just wanted to use the colors up because we were ending our little art date, and I just wanted to do something abstract. I did a lot of things in this video. One cactus, flowers, and a dog, a puppy. And I just wanted to do something different just to relax. And I did an abstract piece. And it looked fine. And these 3 pieces are for sale in my Etsy shop. The flowers, the abstract piece, that was just on a cardstock, but it's a heavy cardstock, and the puppy, the three pieces I did. The cactuses and the G, that's what she did, and I did 1 cactus. She did 2 cactuses, the top left here, and I did the bottom left cactus, and I did the flower and puppy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was a little bit different, but it was very, 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 very fun to do this with my friend in art crime. So see you next time in the next exciting video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time, Invokers. Goodbye, everyone.